policy is being able to use that money in your lifetime for opportunities and emergencies.
Salute y'all. It's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor Alonzo Hall, your social media insurance broker, returning today to whap and tap on your head with another ADH wealth solution. So as you see here, my wonderful, wonderful fellow financial advisor, Ms. Devette Jones, who's fully licensed and has her securities licenses, etc., and very much believes in cash value life insurance because unlike a lot of other investment advisors, she's not going to tell you to buy a term and invest the rest unless that's suitable for you, because she doesn't want you to put all of your money in the investment because she gets paid more off of the AUM as an investment advisor most of the time. But she is completely ethical. And I'm not saying that those other people who tell you to buy a term and invest the rest aren't ethical. What I'm going to tell you is that if they just tell you to do that blanketly, they're violating a law called Regulation BI. If they don't sit down and go over your situation. So, one of the things that Devette was talking about here was the power of cash value life insurance. And she was at a wedding. And she was like, yeah, you can use your cash value life insurance to pull out money and pay for a wedding. Did you also know that you can use your cash value life insurance to pull out money and pay for a house? So normally people will tell you to borrow from your 401k or your IRA, but there's a maximum. Usually, I believe it's $10,000, and it has to be for a first-time home purchase. Well, there's something called a collateral assignment with a life insurance policy that you can use the death benefit as collateral, but we'll talk about that later. If you have a cash value life insurance policy and you have beyond $10,000 of cash value available, let's say you have $100,000 of cash value available, you can take up to 90% of that cash value. So let's say you can take $90,000 out of that life insurance policy, and you can use that for any purpose you see fit. You can also take it out as a loan from your life insurance policy. The beautiful thing about a loan from a life insurance policy that's unlike any other loan is that you don't have to show proof of income or proof of ability to pay back the loan. Nowhere else where you borrow money are you able to just get that money by saying, hey, I want to borrow some money, and they give it to you with no questions. If you go to the bank and say, hey, I want to borrow $10, yep, we need you to fill this paperwork out, we're going to go ahead and scrutinize and da-da-da-da-da. And that's just for $10. Obviously, you wouldn't do that, but. Now, for term insurance, everybody should also probably have a term insurance policy as well. It's like the wheels on the car. You've got your life insurance, your term life insurance, your permanent life insurance, your disability insurance, and your long-term care, but that would be your spare wheel. So what is that fourth wheel? That fourth wheel is your retirement account, usually an IRA or an annuity. Those are four wheels on a car. You can't go down the street in a car without all four wheels. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be it for today. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description of this video. Also, I promise you, people like Ms. Devette Jones are subscribed to things like Financial Advisor Magazine, like I am. Right? Like I showed you guys, Financial Advisor Magazine, and there's my information right there. You see it. Alonzo Hall, CG Wealth Solutions, and my address. Wipe ass, work in progress every day and see success. And when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Salute.